taxes, a lot of expenses, more and more. But I have really good news for you. When you get the Turkish citizenship, you can save your tax expenses from your country. If you're watching us from America, Canada, or Europe, there is a good golden opportunity for you. When you get the Turkish citizenship, you can save your tax expenses from your country. And it's totally legal. And in this case, we have really suitable golden offer for you. Also, it is not just basing on the one property investment. We are eligible to serve out around 450,000 US dollars property investment by multiple from this project. And you can ask me, where is this project? We are in city of Kocaeli in Turkey. It is just 35 minutes from Istanbul. And believe me, you can get more benefit with less payment in our beautiful city of Kocaeli. I'm using the which statement a lot of times, beautiful city of Kocaeli, because this city is really beautiful. Come and discover. And with the 450,000 US dollars property investment, what can we serve for you? We are eligible to serve out 3 different apartments. 1 3 rooms plus 1 living room, 2 2 rooms plus 1 living room. And you know, when you apply for the Turkish citizenship and when you get the Turkish citizenship, you cannot sell that properties for 3 years, but it doesn't mean you don't get benefit. During that 3 years, you can get the high rental income, and the main benefit is coming when you are selling that properties after 3 years. Because in Turkey we have high inflation. Even the high inflation, we have really good demand, especially for our beautiful city of Kocaeli. And when you are selling that properties, you can get easily at least 30–40% extra benefit. So that if you want to be part of this golden opportunity in our beautiful city of Kocaeli, please direct contact with me. My name is Hakan Özer. My mobile and WhatsApp number is 0090532 Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.